How to use Google AI Studio for voice AI. Now, Google AI Studio provides tools for voice AI with a focus on text to speech (TTS) and conversational AI voice agent. Now, this feature uses the Gemini models to create realistic audio. Now, Google AI Studio converts script into natural sounding voice at no cost. Now, what you want to do is launch open your aistudio.google.com. You could then access the tool. That means go to the Google AI Studio and sign in. Choose the model that generates speech such as Gemini 2.5 Pro or Gemini 2.0 Flash Preview. So here you want to select one of these options. Next, you just want to choose navigate a native speech or speech generations. So first of all, select audio and select Gemini 2.5, right? Next, you just want to select the single speaker audio and choose a voice actor. Preview voices by clicking onto the play icon as well. So here you could just go ahead and look for it and enter the prompt of the screen. So you just want to type or paste your text, set the style instructional, describe how the text should be read. Example, read in a warm, friendly narrative tone, or generate and download, and click on the run generate the audio. And that's how you'll be able to use Google AI Studio for voice AI. So with that, we've come to an end. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.